Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we are diving into a truly unique creation from BMW, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. This model brings the luxury and performance DNA of BMW into the world of motorhomes, combining advanced automotive engineering with the comfort of a mobile living space. For anyone who dreams of traveling without compromising on elegance, technology, or driving pleasure, this motorhome sets an entirely new benchmark. On the outside, the 2026 BMW Motorhome looks stunning and futuristic. BMW has carried over its signature design language with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that make this motorhome stand out from the crowd. Despite its size, the proportions are sleek and refined, giving it a dynamic look rarely seen in this category. The high ground clearance and sculpted bodywork enhance its road presence, while large panoramic windows run along the side to provide natural light inside. The exterior also includes advanced features like retractable awnings, hidden storage compartments, and smart connectivity to control lighting and climate directly from your phone. The integration of solar panels on the roof adds a touch of sustainability, helping power appliances and systems when parked in remote locations. Step inside, and the interior is where the BMW Motorhome truly shines. It feels like stepping into a premium apartment on wheels. The cabin has been designed with a perfect blend of BMW's luxury style and practical usability. The driver's cockpit features the latest iDrive 9 system, a curved display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and motorhome-specific functions. The steering wheel and seating are ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, and advanced driver assistance systems make highway cruising smooth and stress-free. Moving to the living space, you'll find an open and modern design with high-quality materials. The lounge area includes leather seating that can convert into a dining arrangement or an additional bed. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, with induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and cleverly designed storage solutions. BMW has integrated mood lighting throughout, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere no matter the time of day. Towards the back, the motorhome houses a spacious bedroom with a queen-sized bed, soft ambient lighting, and large windows for a panoramic view of your surroundings. The bathroom is fitted with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and eco-efficient water usage technology, ensuring comfort while being mindful of resources. Every element has been carefully thought through, making this motorhome not just practical but luxurious. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW Motorhome stays true to the brand's reputation. Unlike traditional RVs that often feel heavy and sluggish, BMW has engineered this model to deliver a smooth, powerful, and efficient drive. Under the hood, it is expected to come with a hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This setup provides strong acceleration and enough torque to handle highways, inclines, and long journeys with ease. The electric system also allows for short-range zero-emission driving, perfect for entering city zones or running silently through campgrounds. Handling has been optimized with adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering, giving the driver confidence despite the motorhome's size. Advanced safety systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras ensure a secure driving experience. Finally, let's talk about the price. While BMW has not officially confirmed the exact figures, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is expected to start around $180,000 to $200,000, depending on customization and options. This positions it as a premium offering, but given the technology, performance, and sheer luxury it provides, many enthusiasts will see it as a worthwhile investment for a life of stylish travel. Additional packages and features, like upgraded entertainment systems or extended off-grid capability, may push the price higher, but BMW's promise is clear: this motorhome is about giving you the ultimate freedom without sacrificing comfort or class. The 2026 BMW Motorhome redefines what